In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Judge.me for your Shopify store in 2025. Judge.me is a powerful tool that helps you manage customer reviews directly on your Shopify platform, allowing you to harness the power of testimonials to boost your business credibility. Our focus will be on navigating through the Judge.me interface within Shopify, ensuring you can seamlessly integrate and operate this app to enhance your online store's reputation. Let's begin by visiting your Shopify store's dashboard. You'll want to locate the Judge.me app within the Shopify apps section. This is where we'll kick off our navigation journey. Once you're in the Judge.me reviews section, it's crucial to familiarize yourself with the functionalities at your fingertips. The first area to explore is the Manage Reviews section. Clicking on Manage Reviews will provide you with a dedicated space where you can see and moderate all the reviews left by your customers. This comprehensive view enables you to respond to customer feedback promptly, address any concerns, and even showcase positive reviews on your product pages to boost future sales. Remember, engagement with your customers through reviews not only builds trust but can also enhance your overall store rating. After managing your reviews, it's time to focus on how you're collecting them. Click on Collect Reviews. This is your toolkit for setting up automated review requests, which can be scheduled to reach out to customers after a purchase. It's a strategy that encourages more frequent customer feedback, helping to continually build a robust collection of testimonials that speak to the quality and reliability of your products. Next, we'll dive into the Widgets section. Here, you can customize and integrate review widgets onto your store's pages. These are the dynamic displays of your reviews and ratings that potential customers will see as they browse. Take some time to explore different configurations, ensuring the display aligns with your store's aesthetic and showcases the stellar feedback from your satisfied customers. Now, let's turn our attention to the Marketing and Social tab. This feature allows you to leverage customer reviews in your marketing efforts, sharing standout testimonials on social media platforms to reach a broader audience. Creative marketing through authentic customer feedback can be a game changer in amplifying your brand's voice and reach. Finally, head over to General Settings. Here you can fine-tune your review settings to best suit your business needs. From email configurations to setting up coupons as incentives for review submissions, this section is all about customizing your approach to fit your store's unique strategy. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to maximize Judge.me in enhancing not only your store's visibility, but also its credibility. Remember, reviews are invaluable assets in the e-commerce landscape. They provide social proof and can significantly impact a consumer's purchase decision. So, invest time in management and strategy, and watch your Shopify store thrive with engaged and satisfied customers.